Hello students, welcome to my channel Chalo Padhe. Today we are going to discuss class 10th IT 402 chapter database management. Already I have discussed about the database, about the data type earlier. I think all of you have subscribed my channel, then only you will get a notification about my new videos. So those who have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. In my last video, we were discussing about the data type. I am continuing from that only. We have created the tables. Table 2 we have created through the templates, and table 3 we have created through the design view. Now I am again editing the design view. What the other data types are there that I am going to discuss now. Next is your hyperlink. Hyperlink means if you want to write any email address, which data type you will choose hyperlink. You can click here and choose it, or by pressing the first alphabet, if you know, you can choose. Hyperlink means you want to give the link of the email address. So next data type which you can use is attachment. Attachment can be for your pic. You are giving as an attachment so that you can attach your pic or any diagram or anything. That time you can use it as a pic attachment. The next data type which you are having a OLE object. OLE means if you want to add any extra file, that can be Word, Excel, PowerPoint, any file, that you can do it by choosing the data type OLE object. So this way, these more data types you can enter. Close it, save it, yes. Already this data is there. In my table 3, I need to double click. In email, I can write the email address of anyone whose address. Now for attachment, this is attachment. Double click on it. You will see attachment dialog box will open. Add. Click on add. You will choose the file wherever any pic is there. Whichever or wherever any picture is there, you can choose that. Open. Add. Close. Okay. Attachment, you are exiting the system is also. So whichever file is available there, in my system it is not, so I am not able to attach it. These are the steps you can add it, and then because the size was bigger, that's why I am not able to. So here the one will come, and whenever you will view the file, it will show you. Now extra file, you are having OLE object. OLE object means if you want to attach, you will click here. It will open your OLE object dialog box, and then you can attach any Word, Excel, any other PowerPoint file. This way you can enter a email address, you can attach the files, as well as you can attach the OLE object. Same way you can increase the size of the file by adding more records. By adding more data in that, you can enter. There is no limit for entering it. You can enter it. See, automatically 3 is there. You can choose the date, whichever date you want to choose. Go to that particular date. 3 automatically come. Why? Because I have chosen the auto number. Pass, I am not writing anything, so that you will be able to know that it can be leave it blank, that will be treated as a no. This way I have entered more data. Whenever I want, I can add more records by clicking on the next records. Close it. It will be automatically saved, because once we have given the file name, it will save. Because in earlier we are used to say save it or not it, but in Access you need to save the file first, then only the data will be done. So this way you can create a table through design view and you can enter the data. Now next thing that comes in your mind is primary key. And one more important and most important thing, that is a primary key. Before I discuss the primary key, I want to discuss the manipulation of data, that how to manipulate it. There are four type of SQL commands: DDL, DML, DCL and TCL. DDL is data definition language, DML data manipulation language, DCL data control language and TCL is transaction control language. In DDL you can create, you can alter, you can delete any record you want. If you want to delete this record, you can click here and can delete that. You can add a new field, you can add an existing field. By clicking here also you can have new record, delete record. If you want to delete any record, click on it and it will be deleted. If you want to add new field name here, you can also add a new field name. DML, that is data manipulation, where you can select, you can insert more record, any other record you want to insert, you can anything, any number you want to enter, address, date of birth. So what I am doing DML, that is data manipulation language. So it is the feature of the database. These are the editing database. Clear? Then is data control language, in which you can give the permission to other, like grant, revoke, that you can do it with the help of TCL. TCL is transaction control, that you can commit it, roll back it, save point or set the transaction. This way you can you can do the modification. Now the next most important topic which you know about is a primary key. Before primary key, first I want to tell you everybody knows how to exit, how to close. There is a difference between exit and MS Access. Before that, want to know you about the save it control as for the shortcut key. File, close, that will close my database. If I will click on exit access, it will exit me from the access window. How to open the already existing file, open dialog box will come, and if any database is existing, you can open that database. So next topic is your primary key, which I will discuss in my next video. Up to that, wait and watch my next video. Thank you students. Take care.